Flutter is a free, open-source mobile app development framework created by Google. It allows developers to build high-quality, native apps for both iOS and Android platforms using a single codebase. With Flutter, you can create stunning user interfaces, animations, and other intricate designs with ease, thanks to its rich set of pre-designed widgets and tools. Now, you might be wondering, why should I choose Flutter over other mobile app development frameworks? Well, there are several reasons. For starters, Flutter offers lightning-fast development cycles with its hot reload feature. This allows you to see changes you make in real time, so you can save time and effort by quickly iterating on designs and testing new features without restarting the app. And not only is Flutter fast, but it's also design-focused. With a rich set of pre-designed widgets and tools, you can create beautiful and responsive user interfaces that stand out from the crowd. And the best part? These widgets are highly customizable, so you can put your own spin on things and create truly unique experiences. Another key feature of Flutter is its highly portable nature. It can run on multiple platforms with ease, making it a great choice for businesses that want to reach a wider audience. You can develop a single app that works seamlessly on both iOS and Android devices, without having to choose between the two. So, what makes Flutter so special? Well, a big part of it is its architecture. Flutter uses a unique architecture that separates the graphical interface from the app logic, allowing you to build apps that are both fast and beautiful. It also features a reactive programming model, which means that the UI updates in real time as the underlying data changes. This creates a smooth and seamless user experience that is sure to impress. And if you're new to app development, don't worry. Flutter is a great platform for beginners. With its clear and concise documentation, step-by-step tutorials, and supportive community, you'll have everything you need to get started and build your first app in no time. So, there you have it, a comprehensive overview of Flutter and what makes it such a great choice for app development. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, I hope this video has convinced you of the many benefits of using Flutter for your next project. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content.